Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the Make Money Moves channel, and today I have yet another way to make some simple money. In fact, I have a platform that has multiple ways for you guys to make money. Now, these methods are going to be fairly simple, and they're not going to be hard to do, and they involve things that, you can do within minutes, such as watching videos, playing games. Yes, guys, you guys can play games to get money. Taking surveys, which is a pretty common thing. And then, at the end of the video, I also have a very special method that you guys can use that you can kind of use to make passive income in a way. So yeah, I'll show you guys that at the end of the video. But yeah, let's just get right into it. Alright, guys, so we are now on the website, and as you guys can see, to redeem your money, basically the way that you can convert your points and cash or cryptocurrency or whatever, is you can use any of these methods, guys. Like, you can use bank transfer, Skrill, cryptocurrency that includes like Bitcoin, Litecoin, anything like that. You can also get an Amazon gift card with the points that you earn on this website. You can also use your points and put them into PayPal. And then you can also use that on Vodafone. So yeah, guys, like, these methods are ways that you can like deposit your money, basically. Now, if we go up, as you guys can see, there are 4 different ways on this website that you can make money. Now, first of all, is surveys. Now, that is a fairly like normal thing. Now, if we go into surveys real quick, as you guys can see, there are quite a few platforms that you can use. You can use Theorem Reach, Say So, your surveys, and pretty much how it works is you sign up for this website, you take surveys, and you get paid. That's pretty straightforward. So, there is actually like, okay, so we've seen this method, right? You can also play games. Now, let's look at this real quick. There are all kinds of cool games in here. Like, this looks like a kind of like what is it? Kind of like a small like a tanks game, pretty much. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. That was like on the tip of my tongue. This is like it looks like a math game. This seems kind of like a math game too. So if you guys are good at math, these are pretty good for you. 3D darts, that looks pretty fun. This kind of looks like a platformer. Basically, there's all kinds of like cool games on here that you guys can play. That, like, if you're good at a certain type of game, chances are that type of game is on here, and you can earn money from it. Like, okay, let's see, Chubby Birds, right? Like, I bet that's kind of like Flappy Bird in a way. I wouldn't doubt it. So if you guys were good at Flappy Bird back in the day, then, I mean, hey. They also have like Cut the Rope on here too, which is like actually a game that I was into when I was younger. So like, this is something, like, I think it'd be pretty cool to play Cut the Rope and make money. I don't know about you guys, but I mean, that's just kind of how I feel. This one also looks pretty cool. Like, guys, what I'm saying here is like, there's all kinds of cool games that on here, and instead of like playing a game on your phone for hours and not making any money, you could come on this website, play games, and make, a good bit of money, and then put that into your PayPal account. And if I remember correctly, give me a second. Okay, I found it. So games like this, games like these, right? Games like these are actually the highest earning games. So if you play like Mahjong, you're gonna probably make the most money out of, like, it's gonna make the most money out of all these games. And I've heard of people earning like $100 within like within a gaming session. like of these games. So I would definitely play Mahjong Master, Mania, just cause like, I mean, you can earn a lot with it. So why not do it? Now, if we go back over here, there's also, okay, I gotta find it. Okay, quick points. So this is just easy stuff for you guys to do. So you can get paid to watch videos. So I'll actually click on this real quick. Well, I don't have an account, but okay. So basically, you guys can come on here, come on these like websites like this, and what's gonna happen is you are going to watch videos, obviously, and you can put videos on autoplay. My advice would be, if you have like a device in the house, like an old tablet that you don't use, an old iPad, literally just set that up, put it on autoplay, or I mean, I don't think one of these has autoplay. If it doesn't, just keep on clicking videos and do whatever you want to do while the video plays in the background. And by doing that, you're going to be earning basically passive income. And it's going to be so easy to earn. And I highly suggest that you guys do that. Now, this website, basically how this works is it's kind of like the Google captchas. So you just click I'm a human, and then you kind of do like a little task. And by doing that, you'll also earn money. So guys, like watching videos and doing captchas for money, I mean, if I were you guys, that's something I would do because it's just that easy and that simple. Now, there's also another method, offer walls. So basically, you come on here. I've actually heard Offer Toro is the best one. And yeah, basically, you just do like little jobs on here, and you get paid for it, like the rest of the stuff on this website. And it's fairly simple stuff. It's not going to take you guys very long. And you can earn like $45 like on this website alone by doing that. So yeah, guys, really like stuff like this is pretty easy. Now, I do want to say I'm quite sure that a lot of you guys that are watching this video are probably from like a second or third world country. And unfortunately, you might not be able to access this this website like someone in the U.S. could because it's just not available. But if we come over here, ProtoVPN, yeah. So I highly suggest that you guys get a VPN if you guys are living in a second or third world country, because you can use it to access websites that are outside of your normal regional. How do I say it? I don't know. Just like you can access websites from anywhere in the world very easily, and I'm pretty sure that this VPN is free too. Now there are other options, but this is a very good choice. It's free. And you can basically make it seem like you're somewhere else in the world, and you can access websites like get paid to and make some money. So that is a huge plus. I highly, highly, highly recommend that you guys do that. And yeah, now another great method. There is actually a fifth way besides like, okay. So, you guys have seen these four methods, the surveys, games, and quick points and offer walls, but there is also a referral program. That was the thing that I was talking about at the beginning of the video. So, let me actually Google that real quick. Referral. Okay, there we go. Okay, so what's going to happen, guys, is you are going to basically send out a referral link to your friends, right? And what's going to happen is when you do that, they're going to click on it, and if they join the website, every time that they do something, you earn 15% commission. So guys, it's practically passive income. Now granted, you might not get a whole lot, but if you guys are able to get like 100 people to use your link and to do things on this website, you guys are gonna earn quite a bit of money. So yeah, this is like the 5th method that you guys can use on this website to earn some easy money. And yeah. Now, even though you can make money with the method that I just showed you, you're still trading time for money. And to be honest, the way that I showed you how to make some extra money on the side is really something that isn't meant to be full time, and you're not really going to generate a whole lot of money on there. You're really just going to generate enough money to maybe pay a couple extra bills, maybe buy a little something extra. But if you guys are tired of working your 9 to 5 and you want to make money pretty much all the time, even when you're asleep, then I recommend checking out the link down in the description below. It's actually the first link, and you'll discover a very real method to make some passive income, and it's really easy, and I highly recommend checking it out. So yeah, like I said, first link in the description. Also, if you guys want to see some more videos on this channel to earn some easy money, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that like button too. That would be highly appreciated. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.